Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the car is unlocked, in park, and the ignition is off, safety first. Next, crouch and look at the lower left dash area and the driver's footwell near the door hinge. That's where the Infiniti G35 fuel door release lever is located. Pull the lever firmly. You'll feel the latch release. Once done, step to the rear quarter panel and open the fuel door by hand to expose the cap. With the fuel door open, reach in and rotate the fuel cap counterclockwise to remove it. Most G35 caps sit on a small holder or tether. Use that so it doesn't scratch paint. You'll want to refuel using the manufacturer's recommended grade. That keeps the engine running clean. When finished, screw the cap back on clockwise until you hear it click 2 or 3 times. Make sure it seats fully. Finally, close the fuel door and confirm it latches snugly so it won't pop open while driving. If the release lever moves but the door won't open, inspect the hinge for ice, dirt, or a stuck latch. Clear debris and try again. If the lever doesn't move at all, fold the rear seat or open the trunk to locate the emergency fuel door cable or access point. Pull that manual release to free the door. If the mechanism is seized, apply a small amount of penetrating lubricant to the hinge and work the lever gently. Do not force plastic parts, and if it still fails, get a mechanic to avoid breaking the trim.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.